Last week on my live video, I showed you how you can use the manual mode in the Thermomix. And this week, I am showing you how you can upload your own recipes into the Thermomix, because I get asked all the time, but I've got all my favorite recipes. What do I do with them? And I'm like, you can just upload them into your machine, which is absolutely fantastic. So for Thermomix Thursday today, I am making my very own recipe of blueberry and coconut muffins. They're gluten-free, they're dairy-free. I'm actually not going to be enjoying them until tomorrow, because I'm on my first 36-hour fast. I am halfway in, feeling great, loving the benefits of fasting. If that's something that you're interested in learning more about, then comment below and I can share some details, because it's everything that I do in my health and wellbeing membership, which the doors are currently open. So today, as I say, we're making blueberry and coconut muffins. I love cooking with coconut flour. I'm all about the healthy. The Thermomix is the tool of choice to make that easier and to make it more achievable. So what I do is I've got my own recipes. I convert them to grams or into weight, because that's what the Thermomix works on, and then you can upload them. So what I do is we've got an online recipe platform called Cookadoo, which I'm sure you've probably heard of, and that is where we've got all the 10,000 English recipes that are already in your machine. And so that is what we can do for guided cooking, and it just adds so much creativity. If we want to import our own recipes, then you go into Cookadoo, you hit import and create recipes, and you can upload your own recipes, which is absolutely amazing. Anything, I do that on my laptop. Anything that I create on my laptop, save into my created recipes, is then duplicated on my machine. So you can't actually see the screen so clearly, but if I come up into my hamburger up the top, I've got my recipes and then created recipes, and you will see that I've got my recipes along here. Now I can share these with my customers. So the beautiful thing is that if you are one of my customers, you get access to what I've called the THERMOWick Club, which has got all my converted recipes, healthy recipes, that I can then share with you. So that is the bonus of being one of my customers. I'm all about the healthy and just want to empower healthy living. So if I now click onto this recipe, it's going to bring it up and say Wick's coconut blueberry muffins. So then when you import it into your machine, it'll say Wick's blueberry muffins, and we can just start cooking. And it's telling me to heat up the oven and then add my eggs. So you can upload any of your favorite recipes, and it just works the same. I've got my coconut oil that I have melted here. You can actually melt the coconut oil in the machine, but I did it just to save time for demo purposes. I've got some maple syrup, and then vanilla essence, and then it's telling me to set it at 5 seconds, and that's all preset. And in terms of just learning how to set the weight, the speed and the time in your basics cookbook, it gives you guidelines on how to convert your personal recipes, which is really, really helpful. Okay, so now I'm adding in my coconut flour. And have you ever cooked with coconut flour? I absolutely love it. It is so moist. It's wonderfully low carb. And I've got cinnamon, baking powder, salt, and I'm just putting LSA, ground up linseed, sunflower, and almonds to add some nutritional value. So adding that in, and then it's going to tell me to mix it at speed 5. And this is also what you get, like, from, if you are one of my customers, you get access to my Facebook Messenger group. And so all my customers are sharing what they're making and asking questions. I share what I make, so there's loads of inspiration in there. So you can see that that has just mixed up that mixture, and so I can give it a little bit of a stir, and then I'm going to add my blueberries, which I just add in manually, and I don't put it back on now. So that is my mixture already made, which I am then going to put into my silicone muffin trays, and I am literally good to go with my imported recipe. And this is a new feature with Cookadoo that I can actually share that with my customers. So I can give you the link, which then you can upload into your machine. That only came out about 6 weeks ago. So I love that with the Thermomix, they're always bringing out new features and new different modes, which means that you don't need to, there's no concern about needing the next model. Not that we even know that there's another model. It's about what the machine can do, and if there's any new releases, then it's just upgraded and released onto your machine, which is absolutely amazing. So I would love to know, what is your favorite thing that you are making with the Thermomix at the moment? And and if you have got any questions about getting a Thermomix on your bench, we've got a trade up offer on at the moment. If you've got a TM5, you can keep your TM5, you can save $300, and you get a free bowl. So you get a free one. If you are buying a TM6 just for your first off, then you get an extra bowl only for $29, normally $429. So it's phenomenal. We've got some wonderful offers. Those are both on until the 18th of June. So reach out to me. Let's have a chat and see how we can help you get a TM6 on your bench. Thanks so much for joining me, and I will look forward to seeing you soon. Bye.